Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the job safe and accessible. Park level, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery cable so the compressor won't energize. Once done, crawl under the hood and identify the serpentine routing and the AC compressor pulley. Take a photo for reference. Next, find the belt tensioner. You'll use a ratchet or serpentine tool to relieve tension. Then remove any plastic covers obstructing access. This gives you clear, direct reach to the belt and tensioner assembly. You apply steady pressure to the tensioner and hold it to maintain slack. Then carefully slide the old belt off the compressor pulley, avoiding abrupt snaps. Once off, spin each pulley by hand to check for roughness or play, replace noisy idlers, or a sticky compressor to prevent premature belt failure. Now route the replacement belt following your photo or diagram. Loop it around the crank, alternators, and idlers, leaving the tensioner for last. Make sure the belt seats fully in each pulley groove before releasing tension. You release the tensioner slowly so the belt sets under the correct tension and sits in every pulley groove. Once the battery is reconnected, start the engine and let it idle while you watch the belt for straight tracking and listen for squeals. This confirms proper tension and pulley condition. If you hear noise or see side-to-side movement, shut down, recheck routing, and test the tensioner spring. A weak tensioner or damaged idler will require replacement. That single troubleshooting check avoids a repeat job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.